If I might, through the chair, if I might ask a question of the good clerk, when we talk about the changes that have been made, have the changes in any way been drastic changes to the procedural bylaw, or are they more wording changes? And obviously you have to be in keeping with the provincial rules and regulations, but any really substantial changes of what's happened recently?
They're not really substantial changes. The only change really identifiable in the procedural bylaw would be under section 34, where we have included the information that is actually held in the Municipal Act. The Municipal Act supersedes the Procedural Act no matter where it sits. So the addition in the procedural bylaw is a reflection, number one, of the procedural of the Municipal Act, and it enhances the council's opportunities to be able to make a selection when there is a vacancy around the city council table.
Well, I thank the city clerk for that response. And Your Worship, the reason for me asking the question is there's been a great deal of misinformation out in the general public. I know Councillor Pell says he had many calls. I had many calls over the weekend, and my response was there's been no major changes. This is the way we've done business in the past. And yes, members have resigned from council before. Could you just clarify one thing for me when we talk about if the mayor decides that on his trip to Germany he loves it so much to go back to his homeland, he decides to stay there, what would happen to the office of the mayor?
Well, at that point we would have to declare the office of the mayor vacant, such as we've done with Councillor Shaughnessy, and the council would have an opportunity to select the manner in which they would want to fill that position. And they also have three choices, two of which come from the Municipal Act, and one of which is added as an addition to members of council for selection. Now, the current Municipal Act, if I may, Mr. Mayor, open it at section 34.
This is truly hypothetical because I'm coming.
Yes,
for the record, I'll be running in the next election.
I was looking for Mr. Mayor, thank you. Item 1 under the position of the mayor would be to fill the vacancy by appointing a person who has consented to accept the office, straight out of the Municipal Act. The second one is require by-election, again, straight out of the Municipal Act. And there's an addition, appoint amongst the current members of council to fill the vacancy of the mayor's position.
Well, thank you very much. I hope that clarifies it for everyone. And Your Worship, I know one of the places you're going to visit is your father's birthplace. I don't know what kind of reception you have there, and who knows what kind of offer they'll make to you.
I can't wait. I look forward to going.
Okay, come
on, but I'm looking forward to coming.